Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today and that the market is treating you well. The news from yesterday was pretty mild. Today we've got quite a few things that are in the process of either having come out or getting ready to be reported. In particular, here in the U.S., we had Chairman Bernanke speaking. We had HPI, Richmond Manufacturing Index. Later on this evening, there's going to be some trade balance numbers for New Zealand, for the Japanese yen. And then tomorrow, again, not a ton of stuff. New home sales for the U.S. New Zealand's going to have interest rate statements and those types of things. So not a huge news day, but something that obviously we want to keep an eye on. A couple things I wanted just to talk about. First of all, I want you to notice this is a 5-minute chart of the Euro-US dollar. I want you to notice kind of the pattern that things move in. And pretty deliberate in its movements, although fairly volatile, pretty big moves that we're seeing here. The idea here is that when we find a deliberate pattern of movement, and we know that the market moves up and then it'll drop down, move up, it'll drop down. In a downtrend, the lows are getting lower, as are the highs. In an uptrend, the highs are getting higher. So we've kind of got a downtrending, swinging market here. As we look to incorporate that understanding into the simple trading method, what we want to be doing is taking the concept that if the trend is moving down, we want to wait for a move back to a resistance area, kind of like it is now, in anticipation that it's going to roll over and continue to move down. Now, it doesn't always do that, but the pattern is that if we can identify the trend, know where support and resistance is located, we'll be able to get in using that simple trading method at the appropriate time. So keep that in mind as you're looking at things. And we do like to use a moving average, like a 40-period simple moving average, to kind of give us the direction that things are going. Again, this is on a 5-minute chart, and we want to be recognizing that that actually can be valid for any time period that we're looking at. I want to spend a couple minutes here on the concept of trading plans. And everybody should have a trading plan with certain things in it. First of all, I think it needs to be written. You write it down or type it so that you've got it there in front of you that you can read it. I think that you should look at having a motto. What is your motto, your mission statement, whatever you want to say, in relationship to your trading? And it can be whatever you feel comfortable with. You want to have certain goals outlined. Both long-term and short-term goals to help you have points along the way that can tell you that you are reaching and moving in the right direction. The next thing is you need to have a method. And that method needs to be detailed out. And if you're using the simple trading method, you just can write that out. And what you want to do is you want to have the contingencies in place so that you know what to do in every situation. If the price does this, this is what I'm going to do and how I'm going to respond. If it does that, That's how I'm going to respond. And then our money/risk management rules. Just leave it money management. So how do we manage those positions once we're in them? And if you can do that, if you can have a plan written out that goes through that, you're going to be setting yourself up for success over the long run. And if you don't have the plan, then you're kind of flying by the seat of your pants, and you end up not having as great of opportunity to be successful as you could. So take some time to think about your trading plan, how you can incorporate the simple trading method into that trading plan, and see if you can't get something on paper that will go through these types of things. So with that, we'll wrap it up for today. Have a great rest of the trading day, everybody, and we'll be back tomorrow to take a midweek look at what's happening in the markets.